This is how to verify site ownership in Google Search Console. After adding a property, go to Search Property and select a property you want to verify the site ownership. Before you verify your ownership, be sure you are logged into your domain register. In my case, I am using Cloudflare as my domain register. Then we will start verification. Then just click Authorize. And we can see here the text record. So let's go back to our Search Console and you can see here ownership verified. So this is how to verify site ownership in Google Search Console.